The Sniffler. December the 21st, 2020 may have given him his powers, but he has decided how to use them.
Right. Oh, hey, thanks for banking with World Bank, where we make your bank the world. Yeah, hey, how you doing? Honestly, I'm not here to...
How can I come here and rob you? Give me all your money. I want it all. Give me everything up in there.
Whoa, consider it done. What do you guys need? Direct deposit? You need cash? You need envelopes? You need checks? We got checks. Look, I don't want any problems here.
Yeah. Give us everything.
Okay, I'll get it. Hold on. Let me just get the...
Jeffrey, why you saying my government? What the f*** is your mask?
Oh. I left it. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Man, get the bag. Go get the damn bag. I'm gonna go get it.
You can't find good help anywhere.
I'm on the way.
Let's just do it. Hold on, here we go. Come help me, man. I got the bag.
Jeffrey, you forgot your mask again.
Can I borrow yours?
You always forget the mask. I don't always forget the mask. Doggy.
Yeah, I should.
Man, let's get this money. Let's just get this money. Light. What is cryptocurrency?
Oh my God.
You two, stop right there.
Who the fuck is that? Hello?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Who you supposed to be?
Yo, who are you? Yeah. They call me
Sniffler.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Chill out, Sal. Yeah, chill out, Sal. Everybody laughs. We done yet? Alright, cool. Y'all gonna stop robbing this bank, or y'all gonna have problems to deal with.
Yo, believe they call. Sorry. They call this dude the Sniffler.
Did you not know I got a gun? Look. I'm gonna break this down for you, okay? We gonna continue to take this money, and you gonna zip on wherever you came from, alright?
Look, get the money.
I don't think it's ever been easier in our life.
Sniffler.
Alright, okay, it's funny, alright. Quit laughing. Bro, almost half.
I'll show you what my powers can do.
Woo. Mr. Sniffler, sir. What's up, Brian? Thanks for saving us. But I think you might have sniffed our money.
Hey, Jeffrey.
Yeah, alright.
We need this dude's notes. Hey.